again. Pat, you're working out. I need us to settle this here and now. Patricia, I'm talking to you. Pat, come, I'm talking to you.
Rose, what's your problem?
Rose, just leave me alone. Rose, leave me alone. I want my money. I want the equal share you got.
Which money are you talking about?
Equal share.
Rose, they gave you your own money. They gave me my own money. So which one do you want me to give you?
You took more than me. I want my own share of the money now.
You to those men and I should have my own share. What's your problem?
So if you did, give me my share of the money.
Rose, leave me alone.
Pat,
just leave me. Leave me alone.
You shouldn't fight. Don't fight.
I'll break your head. I'll break your head. I'll
Don't fight.
What is them?
Come on, give me my money.
Which money?
Stupid girl. What is it?
Ask her.
What is it?
Just ask this girl that I opened her eye in this school.
What is the problem? Ask her now. Why are you asking me? Ask her. Say now.
Don't worry, I'll see you. I will see you.
Really fool.
I will see you.
Get out from here. I will deal with you. You're playing with me, Abi. I will show you.
Don't worry. I will see you.
Somebody must die today. If you don't kill me today, I will kill you. This is getting out of hand.
Okay, Jeff, take it easy now. Nobody is going to die over any issue today.
Nobody's going to die today over. If you don't want anybody to die today over an issue, you bring out your husband. Where is your husband? Where is your husband?
Jeff! Must you always come into this compound and shout simply because I am owing you money? I have told you to come by next week and have your money.
Iroka will shout so people will hear me. Where is my money, Iroka? Where is my money? Iroka, give me my money.
Jeff, must you embarrass us by attracting attention? It is not fair now. He has told you he will pay you by the weekend.
He has said that countlessly in the past. This one is not going to be different. When he came to borrow this money, he said that he will pay me this money in 1 week. Where is my money? Iroka, where is my money? Where is my money, Iroka? Iroka, where is my money? Where is my money? Iroka, where is my money? Iroka!
Okay, Chef, please now, please. I beg you, but don't fight.
You will give my money. You will give my money. You will give my money, Iroka. You will give my money. You see?
All this, take it easy.
Iroka, when will you stop embarrassing the entire tenants? With the disturbance of people you are owing. If you don't have money, give out your wife or your daughter.
Very stupid. Get away from me. I have heard you people for the very last time, but I will go and come back by weekend as you all have said. But if I go and come back by weekend and if you all don't give me my money, I will sing a song that none of you will be able to dance. You will see.
And that's for you.
Look at you.
Every time you have to raise your watch you. No girlfriend, no nothing. He's just living with that nonsense. You be talking. That female goat in his house. I wonder what he's talking. It's okay. How can a man live with only a female goat?
Please.
Oh, Barocco. Hi,
It's okay.
It's alright. I don't even know what his problem is. Why would he be intruding on our affair every time?
My daughter, don't mind him. That has been his attitude since he packed into this compound.
I just don't understand him. He's always too quick to get into our problems. I don't know what we have done to that man. Daddy, Mommy, I know our problem is money problem. But please, just try. Try and help me actualize my dream to become a lawyer. I promise you, nothing will happen to you. I promise you, you won't regret it, Daddy. You will never regret it. I mean, what is his problem? He's not even the landlord or anything. So what gives him the right to be pushing us like that?
Chisom, my daughter, you are the only treasure we have in this world. And we will support your ambition of becoming a lawyer. I will do everything to see you through university. I promise that.
We've heard what your father said. All you owe us now is to study very hard. It is well. It is well. Now why don't you go in and change? I'm hungry. There's food in the kitchen. You can help yourself.
Daddy.
Yes.
I wanted to talk to you last night, but you slept very early.
What is it?
It's about my school. My final year exam is coming up very soon, and the registration started yesterday.
How much is the registration fee?
My teacher said that it is 18,900 and something, but it's very close to 19,000 naira. And the registration started yesterday.
It's too much. But what will I do? You must further your education. Meanwhile, there's this job I'm doing now. That is where I intend to raise the money for the registration. Okay? I have to go to work.
No problem.
When I come back. Okay?
Thank you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
What happened to my husband?
Madam, he fell down from the roof.
From the rooftop. Hey, what do we do?
Madam, make we know they are begin to talk now. How go do to save this guy right now?
Go get a taxi.
Hurry.
You need to calm down. Everything is under control. Please, madam, come with me. You wait.
Okay, so wait, I'm coming.
Yes, sir. You see, madam, I decided we come in here to talk because, you see, your husband sustained a spinal injury as a result of the fall, and a major surgery is required to save his life as soon as now.
Doctor, please just go ahead with the operation. Please, I don't want anything at all to happen to my husband.
You know, we will love to start immediately, you know, but the bill will be 350,000 naira, and for us to commence at all, you will need to make some deposit.
350,000 naira? Doctor, where are we going to get that kind of money from? Doctor, just go ahead with the operation. My daughter and I will run around and see if we can raise the money, please.
As a matter of policy, the hospital does not permit any form of treatment to commence at all until deposit is made.
Doctor, please, I promise you, just start the operation. We will run around immediately. We will try to see what we can do. Please, doctor.
Madam, we all fear God here, but the truth is that we don't run a charity organization. And I will advise you move fast before it's too late. You will have to excuse me because I have a patient to attend to.
Adogo.
Ebuka, good morning.
What
I was just coming to the house to see you. Yes.
I hope all is well.
All is not well, okay, Ebuka, all is not well.
What happened? What of my brother, Iroka?
It's because of him that I'm here.
I'm listening.
He fell off the rooftop and broke his spine.
The fear. God forbid. What did you say?
Please, we have already taken him to the hospital. They said it's going to cost us 350,000 naira. But we need to make some deposit before they will start treatment.
Adogo, stop this storytelling and go straight to the point.
We need financial assistance, please.
Huh? You need what? Because now you need my financial assistance, eh? You can now run to my house. Adogo, let me tell you, I don't have a dime to give you. I don't have even 1 naira to give you.
Iroka is your brother and you know he loves you so much.
Adogo, are you deaf?
I said I don't have a dime to give you.
Okay, please, if you don't have money to give me, at least follow me to the town improvement union. Help me get the money. You know they only give loans to widows. But if you come with me, I know that they will give me. Please, I promise you, I will pay back once the treatment takes off.
Adugo, let me advise you. If you don't know what to do, let me tell you. Go and sell all these jewelries that you have on you. Sell your clothing and other valuables you have in the house. Raise money and take care of your husband. Is he not your husband? Is he not your husband? Not mine. And let me warn you. Let me warn you. If you think you can fold your hands and watch my brother die, Adugo, this village will not contain both of us. It will not.
Do you think selling those things is the best option?
What else do you want me to do? Your uncle Ebuka has refused to help us.
This is really sad. Because if we're to be Uncle Ebuka in the hospital, Daddy would sell everything that he owns and spend every dime that he ever owned.
There's really nothing else I can do. Do you know, Ebuka didn't even ask me if I had transportation. Those goods are valuable. I think if we sell them, we can get some money from them. The most important thing now is to save my husband. We have to do what we have to do. So let's go out and finish it. My son, okay, you have selected what you want, eh? I hope you like them.
The materials are manageable, but I'm only buying it to assist you.
Okay, thank you. So, how much are you going to pay?
I'll give you 10,000 naira.
For all these things?
See, madam, these clothes can't even go for daily use. And the jewelries are ancient. Okay, I will only give you 12,000 naira. If you are not collecting, I'm going.
Okay. Just bring the money.
I'll see you. You're working with me.
I was only able to raise 25,000 naira.
Madam, you know this money is not good enough. This can't commence treatment on your husband, madam.
I know, doctor. But I will still try and raise more money. I'm trying, I will run around, please, doctor. See, doctor, if only you can start treatment. I don't want anything to happen to my husband.
Madam, I sincerely will advise you to get the money as soon as possible. As for your husband, nothing will happen to him. And by God's grace, we will commence treatment. I will mobilize the nurse to take him to the theater. In the meantime, pay this money to the patient.
Thank you, doctor. You're a good man. Thank you. You're a good man.
It's alright.
Thank you. It's okay. I will not pay this money now. Thank you. Doctor.
Madam, you are here.
Yes. Doctor, please, I was able to raise this amount.
Calm down.
10,000.
Sit down first, please. Sit down.
Doctor, please, I don't feel like sitting. Doctor,
No, madam, please, take it easy. You need to calm down. Sit down, please. Please, sit down, please.
See, I went to the reception and they wouldn't let me see my husband. I've been begging.
actually left that instruction. I told them to ask you to see me before any other thing. And then you need to calm down, okay? And then, it's not the money, actually. It's not the money, you know. Like I promised you, we commenced the operation, and then But I'm really sorry. We lost him. I'm sorry.
Doctor.
We lost him. He didn't make it.
Doctor, I don't understand what you say.
Madam, what I'm trying to say is I'm afraid your husband didn't make it.
When my brother was about to marry you, I warned him against you, but he would not listen. Now, he's dead.
What do you mean by that? What are you saying?
Adugo, read my lips. You have succeeded in killing my only brother. Now your plans have worked.
Me? Kill your brother? I came to you for help. And what plans are you talking about?
You think I don't know your plans? You think I don't know the plans between you and that useless daughter of yours to kill my only brother so you can inherit his wealth and properties? Adugo, it will not work. It will not work. Not while I am still alive.
Adugo, what have you gained by killing your husband? I did not kill my husband. I will surely report you to the others. I did not kill my husband. Ebuka, I came to you for help, but you didn't help me. Look, this thing you people are planning, it will not work. It will definitely not work. It's because I refuse to sleep with you. That is why you're doing this thing to me, Ebuka. No problem. God will judge you.
Adugo, me sleep with you? Who will sleep with you? Who will sleep with a shameless prostitute like you? Adugo, you think you have succeeded? You have not succeeded anything, no. Wait for me. Wait.
No. Did you really plan sleeping with her?
Who? Sleep with who? Me. Sleep with that shameless prostitute. Me.
Then what was she saying here? I don't know. Just come and eat your food.
Adugo, our wife. The buying as you na okay adano ewa manobole. As the head of this kindred, it's my duty to see that everything goes the way it should. Ebuka, your husband, younger brother, told us that you killed your husband. What has Iroka done to you?
I loved my husband. I would never, ever wish him death. It was an accident. He fell from the rooftop and broke his spinal cord.
My brothers, don't mind this evil woman and her evil daughter. It is their quest for materialism that led my brother to his untimely death. Now that they have succeeded in killing my brother, they should also succeed in providing the money to bury him, or else, Adugo, or else, this village will not contain us.
It's surprising that you all sit here and accuse my mother of killing my father, when none of you agreed to assist us when we came for help. My father needed money to undergo an operation and good treatment. And if we had it, if any of you had helped us out, he would still have been alive today. So why are you accusing my mother of killing him?
Look at this one. Eh? I have said my own, and that is final. Since both of you have succeeded in killing my brother, you should succeed in bringing the money to bury him. Adugo, this village will not contain us. It will not contain us. Hey! Hey! Let us get some. Hey! Bado.
Adugo, what is it that you said you want to tell me? Please be fast because I have a very important meeting to attend.
Ebuka, why are you treating me like this? I swear to you, I don't know what led to your brother's untimely death. You know me, Ebuka, it's me, you know me. You know I can never hurt a fly. God. Look, Ebuka, if there's anything I have done to you, knowingly or unknowingly, I ask you, please, forgive me.
I have nothing personal against you. It's just that I am still surprised how my brother died.
Ebuka, all I'm asking you is to give your brother a befitting burial. Look at us. Chisom and I are now your responsibility.
How do you mean?
You're my husband now. And Chisom is your daughter. We have nobody else.
You're now my wife. And Chisom is my daughter. I'm happy you know this. And I'm also very happy that you said it with your mouth. I'm ready to cooperate with you to make sure that my brother is given a befitting burial. You see, let us use this opportunity to end this cat and mouse fight between us. Let's settle our difference.
I have nothing against you, Ebuka.
It's alright. Stop crying now. Stop crying. Hey, my Oma.
Ebuka.
Hey. See, I will do anything you want me to do. Adugo.
Who is it?
It's me, Ebuka.
Ebuka?
Yes. Open the door, open the back door quickly. It's very urgent. Alright. Fast. Achalugo, man.
What is it?
How are you?
Fine. What do you want?
What of Chisom, our daughter? Is she asleep?
Wait, what are you doing here by this time of the night?
Achalugo, man. Won't you let me come inside?
Hey, wait! What for?
Adugo, what is your problem? What is your problem, Adugo? What is your problem? I thought you said you were ready to cooperate with me. What is your problem?
I don't understand you.
Adugo, let me tell you point blank.
I want to share your bed this night.
Very stupid. You're very stupid to even utter such nonsense to me. Don't you know I'm in mourning? You want me to shout and let all the women men come out here? What about your wife, Abi? Abi! Get out of my house! You see this Sheba boy? Get out! You're not ashamed of yourself. You will see. Hello, man, sneaking around in the night. You want to share my bed? You're just a vulture. Come and share now.
Adugo, our wife, as your husband's kinsman, we called you to deliberate on the burial arrangement of your husband.
We want to know how much he has in the bank so that we can use it to finalize all arrangements.
My elders. We had no money in the bank. All the money I had, we used it at the hospital. We even had to borrow money from different people and we've not even paid back. There's no money. Please, help me. There's no money. Even Ebuka knows about it.
I don't know anything. Adugo, I don't know anything.
I'm so confused. I can't believe this. Jesus. Jesus, why?
Adugo, don't think we are moved by this your crocodile tears. You killed my brother so that you can inherit his wealth. I know, Adugo. I know my brother Iroka. He is a hard-working man. He must have made a lot of money in the city. Adugo, go and bring back my brother's wealth. Go and bring back his money so we can use it in burying him.
I swear there's no money. Look, we could hardly afford 2 square meals a day in the city.
Adugo, lies. Lies! My brothers, Adugo is singing a song that she has rehearsed even before now. And I do not buy it. Adugo, go and bring back my brother's money so we can use it in burying him. My brothers, I am out of this place.
That's an understatement. I mean, men, I can't just understand them. You have to keep to yourself. You have to respect yourself as a woman, because that's the dignity of every woman. Let me tell you something, my daughter. Men will come. Temptations will come. But you have to fight it. Because God blesses any woman that uses her body to respect Him.
Thank you, Mom.
Adugo, since you have refused to admit that you are responsible for your husband's death, take this water and drink it to prove your innocence.
What type of water is this?
It is the water I used in washing your husband's cups.
I will not drink it.
Why? Makagini?
Because it's against my Christian belief.
It's against what? Your Christian what? Christian believe my foot. Adugo, my brothers, you see what I'm talking about? You see what I am talking about, this woman? You see? Adugo, you must drink this water. You must drink this water or I will force you to drink it.
Elders, I will only take this water on one condition.
Yes.
That Ebuka drinks it first. Because I don't know where he got the water from. Ebuka, drink the water.
Adobe. You know the no.
Ebuka, I think she made a point there. Drink it. As far as she's going to drink it.
No, will you shut up?
Shut up.
I said shut up!
Shut up.
And then there's something wrong with your head. There's something wrong with your head. And then let me warn you. You will drink this water. And then you will drink this water. And then you will drink it. And then look. And then we walk over. Yeah, you drink it.
She will drink it. You drink it.
It's okay. Bring down everything. Make sure that not a bean remains in that house. Bring it out. Oh, get out! Who is your uncle? Who is your uncle? Come on. You killed my brother, you want to take over his house. Go to the city and continue your position with your daughter. Remove everything! Good.
Ebuka, why are you doing this to us, Ebuka? What have we done to you?
No, wait. This one is my brother's paper.
Ebuka, shame on you! Look at what you're doing to your brother's wife. Shame on you! Let me tell you, his spirit will haunt you forever. Ebuka, even my blouse, Ebuka! Even my blouse, you're wearing my blouse!
Yes, I'm wearing your blouse.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
Go back to the
spirit of your brother will haunt you forever. Ebuka, you will have no peace. You will see.
Go!
Wear the blouse. Oh man.
Killer, murderer, go! Go! You killed my brother.
And as long as my blouse is on your body, you will have no peace. This blouse will haunt you.
This is my Christmas
Shame on you.
Go with your daughter. Ndialo, after killing my brother, you want to take over his house. Come and take now. You will know that I am Ebuka. Oh yeah, go. Let me go to my house. Let me go.
Human rapper.
Ebuka. I called both of you to thank you for assisting me in sending away that useless woman and her useless daughter. You know it's not easy. So, Iche, this is your Akbala. Anene, you see, I called you to assist me in sending my late brother's wife and her useless daughter out of this house. But all of a sudden you started, I don't know whether you were looking at her beauty or breast. I don't know what your intentions were, but all the same, manage this.
But is it part of our agreement?
What is agreement?
This wasn't our agreement.
You are not even happy that I gave you something.
Ebuka, because you have accomplished your mission.
Yes. When you were telling me to drink the water they use in washing.
Is that our agreement? Is that our agreement?
What is your agreement? What is your agreement? I'm going to leave my house. Leave my house.
I will leave your house.
It's okay.
We shall see.
I will bring you more money.
I just go buy more CDR.
Yes, now.
And change my car.
Oh. Leave that idiot. He thinks he can take over my late brother's wife and daughter. You are too content.
Ebuka, my husband's brother, threw us out.
What?
He told us to get out of the house. We had no other place to come to than here.
Adugo, you know you're my best friend. But I wish I can assist you, but I cannot.
Nneka, you are my best friend. What do you want me to do? Where do you want me to go to? Please, Nneka, I beg you.
Adugo, Ebuka, your late husband's brother, is very troublesome. If I decide to accommodate you and your daughter, he will give me problems in this village. Iki Adram. He's not a thing of kneeling down, my dear. Please, not a thing of kneeling down. Because Ike Bukadram. Please, I don't want. Please, you should just go. Please, go away. Don't give me problems, please. You should go away.
What are you doing out here in the cold at this time of the night?
Where do I begin this story? My husband died. And my husband's brother and his kinsmen threw us out of the house.
And you don't have anywhere else to go than to sit here in the cold?
We have been trekking all day. No food, no water, no money. I am not from this part of the state.
Okay, I would provide shelter for you this night. At least give you somewhere to rest your head. And tomorrow we'll see how you can continue your journey.
You mean there's still some good people around?
Madam, let's go to my house. We'll start from there. You can't stay here. It's risky here. And it's cold too. Please, let's go. Follow me.
Landlord, you're welcome.
Yes.
Please sit down.
Once again, I came to express my heartfelt condolence over the sudden death of your husband.
Thank you, sir, for your concern.
The Lord is your strength. I also want to seize this opportunity to let you people know that the rent of this house will expire in the next 2 weeks.
Okay, landlord, you know we just came back from the village.
That was why I said welcome. Madam, if you must know, this is the only source of my livelihood.
Other landlord, please. What my mother is trying to say is that it's not as if she's not going to pay you. She'll pay you. But we just got back from the village when we went to bury my father. And mommy does not have any money. She emptied everything that she has and she sold her properties. Just give us some more time. Please.
You people shouldn't say I didn't warn you. If you don't pay your house rent in the next 2 weeks, I'll be forced to throw your things out. To be forewarned is to be forearmed.
Thank you so much for coming to console me on the death of my father. God bless you so much.
It's alright. The news came to us as a shock. So I decided to come and see you. So how is your mom and everybody?
My mom, she's fine. She's just trying to cope.
Okay. I think I have to go now. I just came to know how you're doing. My regards to you. Thanks for being with me. Alright, bye-bye. Bye.
As I've always said, you just need to take heart. Only God knows why it happened that way. Okay? And that reminds me, our registration for our final year exam is going to expire a few days. When are you going to register?
That's my problem. I don't even know where to get the money from.
Don't talk like
My
that.
case is just hopeless.
Don't talk like that, okay? I advise you to go and see the Dean of Studies. He will be in a better position to advise you on what to do, okay? Just do something.
I've heard all you say, but there's absolutely nothing I can do to help you.
Please, sir. Please, I'm begging you. There's nobody to help me. You're my only hope. Please.
This is problem of money, and there's no amount of begging that can settle it. You have few days to register or you forfeit the exam.
Please, sir. Please, I'm begging you. Definitely, there's something that you can help me do. I mean, with your position.
How do you mean?
Maybe I can bring something.
Something like what?
Our TV set. I can drop it with you. When I get the money to pay, I can pick it up. Please, sir.
I've seen that you are not serious. Now leave my office.
Please, I'm telling the truth.
I said get out! Don't come back here again if you don't have the money. Get out! You think I'm the examining authority or the school management?
And that is all that matters, okay? Because of money. Mama, because of money. Don't worry. Money will come. Because of money, okay? Money will surely come. It's okay. Joy, I'm sorry. I came to your house earlier today, but they told me you had gone out. So I left a message and said you should please try and see me anytime you got back.
I got the message.
Hope you're not angry.
I hope all is well.
Joy. All is not well.
What is it?
It's my daughter Chisom.
Chisom?
Yes.
What about her?
I don't have enough money to pay for her final year exams. I don't know what to do. I don't know if you can lend me some money. I've heard about how you've been helping other people.
How much are we talking about?
Just 20,000 naira only.
20,000 naira. Auntie, if I give you this money, what are you going to give to me as collateral? Collateral, yes. You know this is business. I can't give out money without any form of security.
I don't have any security, but I promise you, I know I will pay. I will pay.
Auntie, I'm not doubting you. It's just that people have disappointed me in the past. I don't lend out money again without any form of security.
Hey.
Please try and understand. But there is somebody who might help. Who? Chief Ekweme. We all know him as a philanthropist. Why not try your luck?
Chief Ekweme. Yes, Joy. Will you take me to meet him, please?
I will.
Thank you so much.
Okay. I should be going now. I'll call him and then I'll get back to you. My greetings to you, son.
It's okay. I'll be with you. It's alright.
Good day, Chief.
What is it?
Thank you very much. Oh, let's sit down.
Thank you. Chief.
Yeah.
This is the woman I told you about on the phone.
Oh, it's okay. Madam, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You are welcome to my house.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Joy has told me everything about you. And I have decided I'm going to help you and your daughter. See, not only paying her examination registration fee, but I am going to change everything about you and your daughter.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
But you have a part to play. My PA will get you a letter right now. Meanwhile, enjoy yourself.
Thank you, sir.
That's all right.
God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir.
You did not tell me this. I told you. It's very nice. It's very nice.
Good, thank you. I should be his 5th wife. Because God has blessed him with money. That he has enough money to afford my registration fee. What did you tell him? Jason, please just consider this. He said he would train you up to university level. How can you talk like this? How can you ask me to marry a man that is 2 times older than my father? How can you ask me to do that?
Let me not go to school anymore.
Thinking you are not going to come again.
I'm here now. I had to run errands for my mom. You know how these things is now.
I hope you did not tell anyone about this.
How can I possibly tell anybody? You know how important this thing is to me. I didn't tell anybody. I came here alone.
So now that you are here, where is the money?
Count it.
No, there's no need to count it. 10,000 naira. Let's go. Let's go. My baby girl, you know when you were coming, I never knew it was you.
Can you see that? How would you know I'm the one?
You see, you are so beautiful. You know, this your usual school uniform has a way of hiding your beauty. Just look at you, looking good with all this.
Stop it. You soon make me shy. I'll leave you.
Anytime you are with the Dean of Studies, you just need to relax. I will take care of all these problems. Meanwhile, I've made arrangements for where both of us can go and enjoy ourselves.
Really?
Yes. Anytime you like.
I've decided not to take the exam. Why? Because we can't afford it. Selena, my mother has tried to beg for favors from relations and friends, but everybody just turned their back on us. I mean, the last person my mother went to meet asked me to be his 5th wife. Jesus. I mean, we can't kill ourselves. We can't. I think you should go and beg the Dean of Studies again. He will listen to you. Okay? Just go and try. Go again. He will.
That's exactly what I want, sir. I know what you want, and I will give it to you.
You will? Part. You see, the ball is in your court. Play your part and leave the rest to me.
You will soon hear from me, sir.
Alright. My baby. That is good. Good morning. What can I do for you?
Sir, please. I've come to beg you. Please. Definitely, there's something I can do for you to help me out. I can't stay at home and not write the exam when my mates are writing. Only because I have no one to help me out. Please.
Are you sure you can do what I will tell you to do?
Sir, I will do anything you tell me to do. Just help me out, please.
It's alright, stop crying. See, I will do anything I can to assist you as a dean of studies. Come on, are you still a kid? Come on. What is the problem?
How did it go? Did they agree to help you?
The situation is just so hopeless. Maybe I should just give up.
You never can tell what God can do.
Don't
lose hope, okay?
It's helpless.
Don't talk like that, okay? Let's go.
Then what are you doing here? Get back to your class. Let's just come back. What were you discussing with her?
I'm sorry.
Sorry. So you are guilty?
No.
So what are you discussing with her?
Nothing, sir.
Look, if your intention is to tarnish my image in this school, I will personally kill you. Now get back to your class!
You know, I've gone to see the man, but he demanded that I should bring a shorty, you know, before he would accept me as an apprentice in his mechanic workshop.
Are you sure of this decision?
But as you can see, I'm ready to work.
Let's go and see him. You know I'll do anything for you.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Let's see the house that you helped me to rent.
In this building?
Yes, the room.
It's alright.
In the front.
It's alright.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good day.
Why are you not dressed up for school?
I don't want to go to school.
Why? I've given up. I've given up with school. No, my daughter. You have to go to that school and acquire knowledge. Even if you don't take your final exams this year, you would still do so next year. The embarrassment is too much. The dean singles me out every day and he embarrasses me in front of my mates. Why must that man be so nasty? You know what? I'm going to get ready. I'm going with you to that school. No, please. It might even be worse. Please, just leave it alone. If God says that we are going to die in this suffering, let it be.
amaram na Chukwu anyị dị ike. Nwa m ebezina, Chukwu nọ nso. Ebezina na Chukwu anyị dị ike o. Nwa m ebezina, Chukwu nọ nso. Ebezina na Chukwu anyị dị ike. Nwa m ebezina, Chukwu nọ nso. Ebezina na Chukwu anyị dị ike o. Nwa m ebezina, Chukwu nọ nso. Ebezina na Chukwu anyị dị ike.
These are the items you requested for agreement before you could accept Ikem to be one of your trainees. Hope it's complete.
Yeah, everything is complete. I don't think I have much thing to say because most of the questions bothering me have been taken care of.
Feel free to accept Ikem as your apprentice. I assure you of his loyalty, and if there's any problem, don't hesitate to call me.
Oh, thank you very much, Alex. Thank you.
Ikem, sir, you better be a good apprentice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
I have business to take care of.
You're welcome.
Okay. Ikem.
It's all right.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.
Okay.
Chike! Chike!
I wish I could sing like you.
You have a very good voice. All you need to do is develop it. I can help you. Eh? My own voice is all cracked from too much
shouting on me.
Trying to make you a good child.
But I am now.
Yes, you are.
Hey, Sally.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
How are you?
How is school?
School is fine.
I hope you're studying hard for your exams.
Yes, ma'am. Trying my best. So, Chisom, how are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Why didn't you come to school today?
I'm tired of the embarrassment. Man, I'm not the only person who is poor. I have the most public embarrassment in school every time on assembly ground they call me. Let me just stay at home. It's good.
Jason, can I talk to you?
Sure, no. Sorry, please just go inside now so someone will not stop between you.
Okay, I will go and see what is
no problem. I came to teach you what you learned at school today, since you didn't come. Thank you very much.
So, I want you to come to school tomorrow or next tomorrow. Let me see what I can do. Okay? Just smile.
Thank you very much. Alright, let me bring my books.
I mean, you said you called Chike. Chike! Chike! Come here. Are you? Okay. You are just wasting our time. It's alright. I called both of you here because of the new person in our midst. His name is Ikem, our new apprentice.
Okay. Ikem, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Ikem,
sir.
This is Amy, my senior apprentice in this workshop. And this is Chike, the second in command. They will guide you and teach you everything and the rule that is guiding this workshop. And make sure you obey them always.
Yes,
they
sir.
are your senior.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You hear what Oga talk so?
Yes, sir.
Maybe yes, sir, we dey talk here. Now, yes, Oga.
Yes, Ikem, if there is any other thing you wish to know that they didn't tell you, just come to me.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, Oga.
Good. Now, go back to work.
Oga, wait too. Oga, you sure say this man fit do this job?
Shut up. How do you look at a man like this and say whether he fit do the work?
Oga, see the body resemble puff puff. You say, all right, check him now.
Come on, go back to work.
Oh yeah,
you must,
oh yeah, you know you carry that jack off.
Just show wetin you do.
Yeah, go there, go there. Go the get body like puff puff. Enter on that jack there. Enter, you go see where you put jack. Put this thing down now. Come on. This man don't know how far here. You know sabi work. To put jack and you dey be like say no come do.
What is going on there?
No, I cannot nothing. You dey do well. Put am.
Have you come to tell me that you have accepted my condition?
Yes, I paid. I just came to ask you, please, is there anything that can stop me from writing this exam? Thank you.
And we have a change. We have 20,000, 29.
Who gave you this money?
I was selling.
Selling?
Selling. I didn't know that she was going around begging people, asking classmates, asking her family members. She even bought for my own savings. And she gave me, I paid my registration fee. This is the change, Mama.
Jesus! Can you do it? Jesus! How? Chineke antipulumia, Arinzayo namo, Arinzana binigwe, Ainakenayo.
Ikem, I better get me with 13.
13? Which one be 13?
Boy, get me 13 spanner.
Okay.
Olodo. What you go pack come?
Spanners.
I say 13 spanner, you go pack everything come. No see where they write on 13?
But the right 13 from.
The same thing with this one too. Hold this one.
Come and help me hold this thing, I beg.
Try. I'm tired now. I've been working since morning. I'm tired, Joe. I have to rest.
Oh boy, now wait.
Are you here?
Go help her. Who waiting tell you make you? See, make I tell you, lazy people. You know they allow lazy people work for here. If you lazy, go to your papa house. You hear me so?
He's not calling me again.
Go there, Joe. Go home waiting tell you.
He can.
I wanted to discuss something with you.
About what?
It's about business. I just think that if we go into business and start profiting something, it will be a good idea now that we have little money with us.
Well, that makes sense, considering that we've already paid your school fees. But what kind of business?
Don't you want to go back to your provision business?
That business is not so profitable. I mean, considering the amount of money we have on hand.
What about food business?
What kind of food?
Mama put. It will also help us to find something to eat daily, and also we'll make profit from it. Food is like a necessary commodity that people would have to buy every day.
Mama put. Mama put it is. That's a good one.
I'll come back early from school every day and I'll help you out with it. You don't have to do it alone.
That is a good one.
Wale, good morning.
Ikem, you know see me. You know they greet your senior.
Oh, sorry. Good morning, Chike.
You dey mad. What is good morning? Say good morning, sir. You see, let me tell you. You see that sound we dey for that good morning? It dey very, very important to me.
Is that why you're hitting me? Huh? Is that why you're hitting me?
And if I hit you, what will happen?
I'll hit you again and see what I'll do to you.
Moment, are you serious?
What is going on here?
It's Chike. You came and hit me while I was swimming.
Chike, what is it this time?
Oga, now we came be for this workshop. At first he came enter this workshop. Who is there you come? Why you not gonna observe seniority for workshop? You came not to greet me. Now you go wait make her greet you. I greet her more. Okay, leave me make her plug.
Shut up! Is that why you are beating him? Eh? Okay, let me be straight to you, Chike. Let this be the last time you will hit any person in this very workshop. Did I make myself clear?
I hear you, Oga.
Now get out of my sight.
Okay,
move! Move! Look at this boy making trouble here. Yeah, I see you are cleaning up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue with what you are doing. When you are through, go to that jeep that Mr. Eze brought yesterday. Service it. Huh? This boy.
Yo, you are always reading. Why?
I'm trying to read so I can pass the forthcoming exam.
Girl, now wow, eh? Which kind of reading be all this one? Eh? Every time you always, don't you get tired? Oh, haven't you heard? All work and no play makes Jack a what?
A dull boy.
You cannot tell him.
Yes. As we are going to catch some fun.
Fun?
How? Do you know Angela? She's celebrating her birthday in one of the biggest hotels in this town. So she invited all of us to come.
She's even inviting influential young men that matters in the society at a party. It's gonna be fun.
These guys are rich. These guys will make your day memorable. These guys will give you money. But you have to spend time with them. You have to spend quality time. But they will give you money. They go.
Celine, you're going for this party too?
Yes, sir. Chisom, don't be this awkward and again in the approach of things of life.
Pat, I tell you, say this girl to the door, eh? I tell you now. I mean, let's leave this place, huh? Please, I don't be reading. They reading. I mean, let's leave, bro.
You won't go Cambridge.
Busy? Mommy. Look, I have my mother, eh? Mama, you're back. How was school today?
Fine, so I'm not selling, no. Honestly, look at her, everything.
Mom, my daughter, eh? I'm coming back, eh? Hey, you want to call my cell phone?
Yes, I will help you.
Hey, Chisomo! Thank you, Father.
Rice woman, come.
For talk say you dey hungry now, we tell you how we eat.
What do you mean?
There we have to be serve better food.
No, you're right, I want to eat. No.
What do you want to chop?
You get spaghetti?
No, I don't get spaghetti, but I get agidi, white agidi, I get jollof, I get rice, I get beans, I get plantain.
Okay. Put rice 59 for me.
Okay. And what's next?
Put agua 20 naira. You want it?
I'll tell you so we get where we going to.
What you got this one?
How much meat is that?
Which meat you get?
I get poma, I get shaki.
You get poma?
I get poma.
Put one for me. Let me put for you.
I don't get choice now, so now you the pin now.
Madam, put as you put for me, yeah?
Okay.
Just put small, make her.
I know I'll give it.
You just put rice like this.
Hey! You're back! Let me help you. Hey! You sold everything! Hey! Our God is good, though.
Let us start going.
Hey! It's good, it is empty. Put it here. Put it inside here. Hey! Okay.
Go with that one, I'll come.
Okay, okay, let's go. Let's go. Hey! I'm so happy. Oh, wow.
Hello. How are you? You're welcome.
How are you?
Thank you, sir.
This is Honorable Chief Justice Maxwell Osita, retired. My father. And this is Chief Mrs. Chinwe Osita, my mother.
Oh, my dear.
Thank you very much.
Dad.
Yes.
Mom.
Yeah.
This is Chisom, the girl I want to marry.
Hey, what a beauty. So she is the one we've been expecting since.
Yes, Dad.
Oh, my dear, just sit down.
What? This is not what I expected.
How do you mean?
Ikem,
you brought me to your house to introduce me to your parents as your wife.
Sure, because I love you.
And who says I want to marry you?